Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2000 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. 1500 cc's of big bore power, beautiful touring cruiser, heavyweight. It's got engine guards, floorboards, touring windscreen, hard case saddlebags, beautiful dark purple metallic. It's got that very comfy backrest for your passenger. Come by, make your shaft drive touring cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous Vulcan 1500 for just $29.99. This is a lot of bike for the money. You got rear passenger floorboards, Mustang saddle. This bike also has a very unique Harley Davidson style tank lock. Really cool bike. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.